Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A74 5G, and today I'll show you how you can change the video quality of your screen recorder. So you have to go for the settings, find conversion tools, go for the screen recording, and when you are here we can easily change video resolution by going here for the option. We can go for the medium, low, we can also customize, so we can set here manually the bitrate. And when you go back and find frame rate, we can go for the dynamic 60, 30, 24 or 50. So you can pick, for example, 60. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.